Hello everyone, welcome to the world of endless online learning. Hope you are doing well and spending some quality time for your exam preparations. And I'm very happy to share with you that many of the students they have sent some good feedbacks and the questions and the topics that we are discussing in our channel. It's very helpful for preparing their exams, and many of them they got some good result based on this. So today we will start with a question, and this is basically related to a mechanical valve in case of an aortic valve replacement. And this is a series of videos, as I mentioned in the previous videos. This is the fourth video in the cardiovascular system question discussion. So we'll start with the question. The nurse has just completed discharge teaching for a client who had aortic valve replacement with a mechanical heart valve. Which statement by the client indicates that the teaching has been effective? So I will just reword the question. The question, a client, she has undergone a aortic valve replacement, and the valve they use for it is a mechanical heart valve used for the valve replacement. So in this scenario, what all the health education the nurse have to give to that particular client after the discharge or upon the discharge? And when or which statement made by the client is indicate that the client understand what the nurse has taught to him or taught her. So we have four options. Out of these four options, one statement when the client will make, that might be a correct statement, and that indicates the client understand the precaution or the methods or the things that he have to follow after this particular surgery. So we'll see the options one by one. The first option says, I am glad that I can continue taking my ginkgo biloba. Second option, I will increase my intake of leafy green vegetables. Third option, I will start applying vitamin E to my chest incision after showering. Fourth option, I will shave with an electric razor from now on. So here there's four options. Based on the question, we know that the option what we are looking should be a positive statement or should be a correct statement, which indicates that the client understand or the teaching what the nurse given is highly effective. It is useful for him. So we'll see which is the correct statement. So the first option says, I am glad that I can continue taking my ginkgo biloba medicine. What is this ginkgo biloba? Actually, this is a herbal supplement. So for a client who have undergone aortic valve replacement with a mechanical valve, always should consult or should consider the healthcare provider opinion before starting or before discontinuing any of the medication or some particular diets or starting any of these herbal supplements, because those medications or those items might be produce some reversible effect, or sometimes this ginkgo biloba herbal supplement, this will increase the bleeding. Actually, we know that the client who undergone aortic valve replacement, especially for mechanic heart valve, they should be on an anticoagulant for a long period, might be that for a lifelong medicine. So the nurse should give some instructions and educations, what are the things you should follow. In that, the one thing that the nurse will instruct the client, you should always consult a doctor before starting or before discontinuing any of the medications, over-the-counter medications or any diet or any herbal supplements. This ginkgo biloba is usually using for it's good for treating depression, schizophrenia and dementia. There are some good results shown in clients who are using this one. So but if the client using this situation, this will cause or increase the bleeding because the client is on anticoagulant. That's why that option is a not correct statement. We can eliminate that option one. So we'll see what is the second option. If the second option says that I will increase my intake of leaf green vegetables. Which means, what do you mean when we listen that leafy green vegetables? We know that most of the leafy green vegetables contains vitamin K. So what is the function of vitamin K? That helps in clotting. So in this client, we have, the client is on anticoagulant, maybe warfarin, and it's for a long time. So the vitamin K function is clotting. If we are the client is taking more green leafy vegetables, what will happen? The vitamin K amount or the content will increase in the body, and that will reverse the effect of anticoagulant, which means the anticoagulant will prevent the risk of thromboembolism, but this the vitamin K, this one will increase clotting. So the effect of anticoagulant will not completely get if the client is taking more green leafy vegetables. So should instruct the client, if you are frequently changing your diets, or before you are changing your diets, you should get the opinion from the healthcare provider, or should not try to avoid the frequent changing of diets, especially try to decrease the high quantity of having green leafy vegetables which contains more vitamin K. So that's clear. So that option also not a correct option, so we can eliminate. So option 1 and option 2 we already eliminate. So some of the green leafy vegetables just like spinach, broccoli and greens, like this contains more vitamin K. So next, what is the third option? See here, the third option says, I will start applying vitamin E ointment to my chest incision after showering. Actually, this vitamin E ointment the client can use, but it should be used once the wound has healed completely. Soon after this procedure, once the client will go to the home, until the healing, he can just use some mild soap or water. After the healing completely happened, the client can use the vitamin E ointment. So that option also not a correct one, or not the option that shows that the client didn't understand what are the things the nurse teach him. So option 1, 2, 3 we already eliminated. What option empty for us? Option 4. So that seems like our answer. How it will come our answer? I will shave with an electric razor from now on. So how this became our answer? We know that the mechanical valve for the aortic valve replacement, it is more durable and good than a biological valve. But the problem that the chances of getting or the risk of thromboembolism is high. So the client should be on anticoagulant. I already mentioned that. So if a client is on anticoagulant, the nurse should give some instruction. The first instruction that the client should limit the alcohol consumption if they are taking. And the another one that they should take this medication at a proper time and a correct time daily, in the same time daily. The another one that depending on the medication, the client should undergo a periodic a lab test, or the client should undergo periodic blood test to assess the therapeutic value of the medication anticoagulant what the client is taking. That is very important. And another thing, avoid any action or activities that cause injury or trauma which lead to bleeding. For example, contact sports and vigorous hand toothbrush using for brushing. Avoid that. Then the another one, if some clients might be they are using the razor blade, they should avoid that. Instead of razor blade, they have to use an electric razor. That's why our answer 4 became the correct answer. If the client start using an electric razor instead of a razor blade, which means that the client understand the teaching that was given by the nurse. Is that clear? So that's why our answer for option 4 is the answer. Then another thing that the client should also consult the doctor before taking any NSAIDs, and they should avoid taking the over-the-counter medications and aspirins before consulting with a doctor. So these are some of the main aspects related to aortic valve replacement, especially with a mechanical valve. So while we are giving an education to a nurse should know what are the things the client understand, and while we are asking the client if he is giving a proper answer, which means that the client understand. If they understand, definitely they will follow that one. So our answer, option 4 is our answer. So I hope it is clear to everybody. So in the next video we will come with another question. Bye for now.